kunwari, yung sa'yo kanina, you can resign without a 30-day notice. Pero under specific justifiable circumstances allowed by the labor code. So, ano yung mga yon? So, serious insult by the employer.
Uy, pag pinahiya ka sa harapan ng maraming tao, yan, di ba? Inisulto ka.
Oo. Tapos number 2, inhuman and unbearable treatment by the employer.
Hindi ka pinapakain tuwing lunch break.
O hindi naman gano'n. Well,
di ba? Hindi, kunyari, inhuman o walang OT pay.
Ayun, and unbearable treatment.
Ayan, wala kang OT pay, late ang sahod.
Commissions of a crime or offense by the employer or its representative.
Sinampal ka sa harapan ng maraming tao.
And violation of the terms and conditions of your employment contract. So, if any of those apply, you are legally entitled to an immediate resignation.